restless, rising fast and breaking through. Every feeling felt enormous, nothing knew what to do. I tried to name each sensation, tried to hold it, tried to steer. But emotions don't need answers, they just need space to be here. I stop asking them to leave, I let them move in their